At SparkForce, it all begins with a spark. The programs of SparkForce are guided by our mission to inspire the next generation of manufacturers and encourage their pursuit of a manufacturing career.
It's almost like Christmas when SparkForce is around because all these kids find this new passion and find something productive to do with it, not only today, but for the rest of their lives.
SparkForce and the camps that they provide gives a huge benefit to those kids just to spark some interest from the start. And then hopefully we can provide our future employees.
This year, SparkForce continued to expand the Summer Manufacturing Camp program, reaching over 5,000 youth participants with more than 300 camps across the country.
A lot of the kids have become more confident in their abilities. The first day, they're all so nervous because they don't really know what's going on. Compared to day one, they're completely self-sufficient. So that's just really cool to see them grow like that.
My favorite thing is coming when a kid signs up for one camp and then the parent comes back in and they say, oh, what other camps are still open?
They've liked it so much, we'll be going next year as well.
The biggest thing that I can see where it's a positive impact is when schools are sending their teachers to the camps and learning it themselves so that they can implement it in the classrooms so you know it's making a difference to kids.
One of our camp counselors this summer is a product of our camps.
Because of the camps that I was a part of, that's what I'm going for as my degree now. As a counselor, it's just like super cool to see those kids where I once was.
Only these types of experiences are going to give them that opportunity to connect. Aha, what do you enjoy doing anyways? Kids are not going to learn that unless you expose them to it.
But I like the fact that I can take the metal and mold it into a project of my own.
I really enjoyed the entrepreneur where we get to run our own business.
Building my robot, his name was Pimpalicious.
I was scared that Sparks was going to come on me and I was going to catch on fire. But it was really fun and I really loved it.
There are camps like what we do in SparkForce that open up so many ideas of where you can be professionally. That's what we want for our kids. We want them to be able to look at the world and see all the opportunities that it has versus the limitations of it.
The Inclusion Camp program continues to reach new heights this year with a record 13 camps, reaching over 150 young adults with disabilities.
The word disability, there's that fear. It's the idea that they can't do the job or there's safety concerns. It's really showcasing that individuals with disabilities can do so much more. A lot of our employers have been so surprised of seeing that they have these capabilities. And so that gives them the idea that, I'd love to hire them.
We have a couple of students that are looking for employment, and it looks like they'll be hired for long-term employment after the camp's over with.
Having a population of individuals who are looking for lasting work, I think that sparks the interest of a lot of employers.
Individuals with disabilities is the largest untapped workforce. This is a win-win for both the employer and the employee. You're giving this employee an opportunity and a chance to do this job, but for the employer, they can really come and change the work culture.
The scholarship program continues to support students pursuing manufacturing-related fields, awarding funds to 119 students this year.
I had to pay for school out of pocket, so just getting the scholarship did help a lot. It's given me that ability to do more and really get the most out of my education.
The SparkForce scholarship has really helped me pay for my education. And more than that, it connects me with sort of industry leaders around the manufacturing industry. I get to come to FabTech and meet with all kinds of different companies here.
It allows me to focus on being a student first and pursuing my education to the best of my capabilities. Being able to give back to the industry that's given me kind of like a path in life would be my ultimate dream job.
How can you not be interested in the workers of tomorrow?
I get to take something that I love doing. I get to give that skill to other people, and it's a skill that they can literally change their lives with.
Without SparkForce, we would not have been able to offer any of our camps this summer.
SparkForce allows you to do it where otherwise it couldn't. STEAM Inc. wouldn't exist in the form it is right now and be able to do the camps we're doing without it.
I actually started off going to some of the camps as I started in my career in engineering, and without those camps I wouldn't have been able to get where I am today.
If we want our companies to succeed, we need to make sure we're investing in the youth and make sure they know what's going on in manufacturing and that it's a great life.
If we can make this bit of a difference in this and get a few more kids interested in manufacturing, it's something.